Most ads flop. In fact, 9 out of 10 fail before they ever make a profit. That's why so many brands bleed money testing campaigns that never work. But here's the truth. You don't need 10 ads, you just need one winner. And with Canva-ready, your next winner is minutes away. Canva-ready is the world's first ROAS guaranteed ad library. Every single template inside comes from a real campaign that scaled a real brand. Not theory, not made up creatives. These are ads that ran, converted, and made money in the wild. Here's how it works. Filter by niche, ad type, or angle. Pick a template you like. Export to Canva in one click. Swap in your product and text and export in one click. That's it. Even if you've never designed an ad before, you'll have a ready-to-launch winner in minutes. No blank screens, no hope marketing, just choose, customize, and convert. Now, normally, Canva-ready costs almost $600 a year, but today you can get lifetime access for just $67. And when you join now, we're throwing in over $500 in bonuses. First, you'll unlock our AI product shot generator, where you just upload your product, pick a style, type a quick prompt, and boom, you've got pro-level lifestyle photos you can drop into your ads in seconds. No studio and no photo shoot needed. Next, you'll also get our holiday ad booster pack, including 100 ready-to-go ads for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas, and New Year. And finally, our Notion ad planner, the easiest way to plan, track, and organize all your campaigns in one place. That's over $1,000 in value. Yours today for just one payment of $67. No subscriptions and no ongoing fees. But this deal won't last long. So click below now to lock in your lifetime access before it disappears forever and start making more money with tested and proven ad designs in Canva-ready.